Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels in all the time frames. So when we look at the events plan for today is Thursday, May 11th. Around 4:30 p.m. we have multiple high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs, and at 5 p.m. we have again high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs, and from 6 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So we have multiple high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs and US dollar related currency pairs today, so we can expect lots of volatility in both of these currency pairs. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame now, so these ranges are still valid. So on the higher side we have a very strong supply zone between 2067 to 2055, and on the bearish side we have a very strong demand zone which is between 1977 to 1970. And currently when we look at the price action, it is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern in 4 hours time frame. So when we look at the latest candle it has formed, we had a very strong bullish candle and a very strong bearish candle, which shows that both the buyers and sellers are at equal strength and they don't want to let the price to go up and they don't want to let the price to come down also. So in the higher time frame we have to wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side in order to take a directional trade in 4 hours or in the daily time frame. And when we look at the support and resistance levels, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 2034 and support level of 2024. And if the price action gets rejected at the resistance level of 2034 and falls on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 2024, 2013, 2099 or 2000, 1977 and 1970 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaches this resistance level of 2034, next level of resistance is going to be the resistance line from the symmetric triangle pattern. Once this line is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2046, 2055, 2067 on the bullish side. Currently the price action is trading between this higher time frame resistance level and the support level. Within this we are noticing the price action to form a symmetric triangle pattern, which means that we can expect a directional momentum to start once the price action gives a breakout from this consolidation. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and in hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trending on a bullish trend within this symmetric triangle pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Currently it has tested this support level of 2024 and we are noticing it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, but again it has to break this resistance level of 2034, which is the neck level of the double top pattern, and only when it bridges this resistance level we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend in hourly time frame. So in hourly time frame we cannot notice any patterns being formed. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to enter into a directional trade. And in the lower time frame you can be scalping within this support line and the resistance line until the directional momentum starts. And when we look at the current support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 2034 and support level of 2028. And if the price action continues its bullish side retracement, breaking this current resistance level of 2034 on the bullish side, next level of resistance is going to be around 2039, 2047 and 2054. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaches this current support level of 2028, next level of support is going to be around 2021, 2010 and 2000. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame we are noticing the price action to take support around the support level of 2021 and on the trend line or the support line of the symmetric triangle pattern, and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. The immediate resistance is going to be around 2034 from the higher time frame. Once the price action breaches this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 2037, 2041 and 2048. And if the price action fails to break this higher time frame resistance level of 2034, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start, and next level of support is going to be around 2031, 2027 and 2021. So in 30 minutes time frame, once the price action gives a breakout from this consolidation, we can expect the directional momentum to start. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.